unleashing the legacy of Henry Ford, from farm to industrial titan. Henry Ford's story is emblematic of the American dream, rising from humble beginnings to become a titan of industry. His innovations not only revolutionized car manufacturing, but also profoundly impacted the 20th century's industrial landscape. Born on a farm in 1863, Ford's journey from rural Michigan to the forefront of global industry is a testament to his relentless drive and ingenuity. Early experiences with machinery on the farm sparked a fascination with mechanical workings, laying the groundwork for his future. Ford's foray into engineering began with experiments in his makeshift workshop, where he tirelessly worked on internal combustion engines. This pursuit of innovation was the precursor to creating an automobile that was both reliable and affordable. In 1903, Ford established the Ford Motor Company, marking a pivotal moment in automotive history. This venture was fueled by Ford's vision of a car for the average American, a dream that would soon materialize and change the world. The introduction of Fordism revolutionized mass production. Ford's implementation of the assembly line method not only made car production more efficient, but also set a new standard for manufacturing, influencing countless industries beyond automotive. Henry Ford's Model T revolutionized the automotive world by providing an affordable, reliable car for the average American. Its introduction in 1908 marked a pivotal moment in transportation, making car ownership accessible to the masses. The assembly line, a groundbreaking innovation by Ford, drastically cut the time needed to produce a car. This method not only sped up production but also significantly reduced costs, setting a new standard in manufacturing efficiency. Ford introduced the $5 workday in 1914, doubling the average wage of the time. This bold move not only improved workers' living standards but also boosted productivity and loyalty among his workforce, setting a precedent in labor relations. Expanding beyond the United States, Ford Motor Company established its presence globally. By setting up manufacturing plants in countries around the world, Ford not only increased its market reach but also influenced global automotive standards and practices. The concept of Fordism, characterized by mass production and high wages, extended beyond the automotive industry, influencing various sectors. This approach not only transformed manufacturing practices but also had profound effects on the 20th century economy and society. The River Rouge plant stands as a testament to Henry Ford's industrial vision. Sprawling across 1,100 acres, this massive complex was the epitome of Ford's commitment to controlling every aspect of production, embodying the height of efficiency and scale in manufacturing. Innovation was at the heart of Ford's operations, with the moving assembly line being a groundbreaking development. This method not only revolutionized car manufacturing, but also set new standards for production across various industries, showcasing Ford's genius in redefining efficiency. Ford's approach to business was not just about production, it was also about principles. He believed in the power of efficiency, economy, and mass production to create value, a philosophy that permeated every aspect of his company and became known as Fordism. The automobile, under Ford's vision, became more than just a means of transportation, it transformed American life. The accessibility and affordability of cars like the Model T empowered the average American, reshaping the social fabric and mobility of the nation. Ford's penchant for adventure and innovation extended beyond the factory. Alongside friends Edison and Firestone, he embarked on camping trips, dubbed the Vagabonds. These excursions symbolized Ford's quest for knowledge and his belief in the importance of camaraderie and innovation. Henry Ford's vision extended beyond the factory floor to the heart of the Amazon, where he envisioned Fordlandia, a utopian society for his workers. This ambitious project aimed to cultivate a harmonious, productive community, blending industrial efficiency with social welfare. Despite its innovative concept, Fordlandia faced numerous challenges, from cultural clashes to environmental setbacks, ultimately marking it as a well-intentioned but flawed experiment in social engineering. The Model A emerged as a testament to Ford's resilience, succeeding the iconic Model T. This new model captivated the market with its stylish design and improved functionality, symbolizing Ford's ability to innovate and adapt in response to consumer demands. The Model A's success reinforced Ford's dominance in the automotive industry, showcasing the company's commitment to quality and progress. Labor relations at Ford Motor Company underwent significant transformation, particularly with the introduction of the $5 workday. a revolutionary move that doubled the standard wage. This policy not only boosted worker morale and productivity, but also set a precedent for fair labor practices in the industry. However, Ford's stance on unionization remained contentious, leading to complex interactions with labor unions over the years. During World War II, Ford played a pivotal role in the Allied forces' victory by shifting its production from automobiles to war materials. The company's factories churned out bombers, jeeps, and tanks, demonstrating the industrial might and flexibility of Ford's manufacturing capabilities. This contribution underscored Ford's importance to the national effort and highlighted the company's capacity for rapid innovation in times of need. The Ford Foundation, established to channel the company's vast wealth into philanthropic endeavors, marked a significant shift towards social responsibility. By funding educational, cultural, and human rights initiatives, the foundation sought to improve global welfare, reflecting Henry Ford's belief in the power of innovation and progress to benefit society at large. This legacy of giving back continues to influence philanthropic activities worldwide, underlining the broader impact of Ford's vision beyond the automotive sector. The transition to Edsel Ford marked a pivotal moment for the Ford Motor Company. As Henry Ford's son, Edsel brought a fresh perspective and was instrumental in modernizing the company's design and broadening its appeal. The introduction of the Mustang under the leadership of the next generations revolutionized the American automobile industry once again. This iconic muscle car reinvigorated Ford's image, blending performance with style and affordability, capturing the hearts of many. Ford's commitment to environmental sustainability became evident with its initiatives aimed at reducing its carbon footprint. The company ventured into producing hybrid and electric vehicles, showcasing its dedication to innovation and responsibility towards the planet. Entering the 21st century, Ford faced the challenges of globalization and technological advancements head-on. It adapted to changing market demands and consumer preferences, focusing on quality, safety, and smart technology to remain competitive. The Ford family's enduring influence on the company and the automotive industry is undeniable. Their legacy of innovation, leadership, and philanthropy continues to steer Ford Motor Company towards new horizons, maintaining its status as a global powerhouse. Ford's journey into the digital age is marked by a blend of innovation and challenge. As technology accelerates, Ford adapts, integrating advanced computing and AI to redefine mobility and enhance vehicle connectivity, showcasing a commitment to progress. The future of transportation, according to Ford, encompasses more than just cars. It's about creating a smarter, more connected world. Their vision includes autonomous vehicles and shared mobility solutions, aiming to reduce congestion and improve urban living. Globally, Ford's presence is undeniable. With operations spanning continents, the company not only adapts to but also shapes automotive trends worldwide. This global footprint emphasizes Ford's role in defining the future of transportation on an international scale. Henry Ford's cultural impact transcends the automotive industry. His innovations in mass production and labor reform echo in modern manufacturing and beyond, illustrating how Ford's legacy is interwoven with the fabric of American industrial history. Reflecting on Henry Ford's enduring influence reveals a man whose vision fundamentally transformed not just transportation but the very way we live and work. His legacy, marked by innovation and forward thinking, continues to inspire and challenge the modern world.